How you doing, everybody? I haven't seen you guys in a while, and I wanted to talk to you about a really important issue that I've been reading a lot about lately. It seems like they're not covering it too much on the news, and well, not in mainstream media, anyway. But I was reading about the poles, the magnetic poles. It seems like the poles are shifting, and the Earth magnetic field is about to collapse. I've been reading a lot of articles about that, and one of the articles that was really interesting to me was written by this website called Strange Sounds, and the name of the article is "Poles Are Shifting and Earth's Magnetic Field is About to Collapse." And basically what it's saying is that scientists believe that our magnetic poles are shifting, and they could even flip in our lifetime. And I don't know if they was to flip. I don't think that would be good for us. I mean, I'm not a scientist, but it sounds kind of dangerous, don't you think? I'm a little concerned about it. So it says here that the South Pole has changed its location drastically, and the North Pole is moving across the Arctic Ocean at a pretty rapid pace. From what read in other articles is that it's moving about 30 miles a year. I guess they consider that a rapid pace. And if this keeps occurring, the Earth magnetic field could collapse and cause power outages on an epic levels. That means no YouTube, no Netflix, no cellular phones, nothing electronic. We're gonna basically be left in the dark. Anyway, the article says the Earth magnetic field is also what shields us from much solar radiation. It appears to be weakening, and experts don't know why. So the magnetic field that shields the Earth is weakening, and from what it says here, scientists don't know why. At a rate of around 5 per century, the Earth's magnetic field has been diminishing for the last 400 years or so. So, if the Earth's magnetic field doesn't work anymore, I guess that means that we won't have any power. So what would happen if the magnetic poles were to flip? Okay, so it says here that if they were to flip, the magnetosphere would weaken, and our planet will no longer be protected from solar radiation. That means that a lot of us is going to catch skin cancer and burn to a crisp. In turn, the radiation will burn off large portions of our atmosphere and make Earth uninhabitable for mankind. Yikes, that's not good. In the process, weather patterns will drastically change, and entire power grids will go down and not be able to be brought back online. Not for nothing, this sounds serious. Is this really happening? Many people believe so. And as you can see from the attached video, well, I can't show you the video because I'm not a good enough vlogger to be able to know this, how to do it right now. But just take my word for it. As a matter of fact, if you want to read the article yourself, you can go to by Strange Sounds. Okay, so go to Strange Sounds. The name of the article is "Poles Are Shifting and the Earth's Magnetic Field is About to Collapse." And the article is by Strange Sounds. That's the name of the article. As a matter of fact, I would share it on Facebook, but they blocked me for 30 days. Anyways, show trends of our planet's magnetic field weakening and its poles moving at a rate of around 40 miles a year. Or another article said 30, but this article is saying 40. With a pole shift, we can expect weather patterns that will be unlike anything expected before. That means floods, hurricanes, and tornadoes will be much more common and will happen in areas where they did not usually occur. It says Earth and other planetary happenings will be on par to bring about extinction events. I don't want to die. Okay, so while the fields is weak, more space to breathe will come our way, and a lot of them, more often. Mars may have been hit because it lost its shield and then most of its atmosphere. So, according to this article, what they're saying is happening to Earth happened to Mars, and it lost its magnetic field, and it basically became a dead planet. And it says if life had once flourished on Mars, then I hope we have learned from our mistakes and won't repeat them. But okay, so how do we stop? Can we stop a magnetic pole field? A magnetic pole shift? I don't think humans can stop that. I think if it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. I mean, let's be honest. Like, we only been on this planet, what? Mankind. Some people will say for millions and millions of years. I don't know. I mean, some archaeologists shown proof of ancient civilizations, being here thousands and thousands of years ago, and they even have found bones and shit. But what I'm saying is that Earth always goes through changes. You know what I'm saying? That's nothing that we can help. I don't care if you're religious, if you pray or whatever, and you believe in the apocalypse. To me, it doesn't really matter. I feel like every so often, I don't know, when, maybe every 25,000 years or more, something happens to the planet that it changes. I mean, look at what happened with the dinosaurs. They were on this planet way longer than we, Homo sapiens, have been on the planet. You know what I'm saying? Look at all these ancient stories of different civilizations rising and then falling. Look at Atlantis. You know what I'm saying? That's a civilization that people have written about. And what happened with them? They went through a huge cataclysm. I mean, I read a lot of books about that. I even read a book that talked about how the planet Saturn used to be our sun. And when Saturn left, because basically the solar system, how it's designed now, wasn't designed that way thousands of years ago. And what it was saying was that Saturn was the sun. Instead of the sun that we have now, Saturn was the sun. And it was called the Golden Age. So what had happened was Saturn started moving away, you know what I'm saying, from Earth. And the sun was coming in. And that caused cataclysms throughout the planet, which, as some articles say, that it stayed in mankind's psyche. So I think that this is one of the reasons why we always have doom predictions and stuff, because stuff like that has happened in the past. And as you well know, what scientists say, that when we go through bad trauma collectively and even individually, we pass on those fears through our genetic makeup. I'm just saying, this is what they're saying. So anyways, they're saying that while the field becomes weakened, the Earth's magnetic field starts to weaken, the breeze from outer space will start coming in and attacking the planet. And they're saying that Mars went through this, and because it lost its shield and most of its atmosphere, and life flourished in Mars, but because it lost the atmosphere, now it's a dead planet. So it also says here that measurements do confirm to be true. So this is not a conspiracy theory. This is something that is actually happening. Whether people care about it or not, you know what I'm saying? Probably not. I think everybody's more focused on celebrity gossip and religion and Trump shutting down the Fed government for the last 3 weeks. I don't think really nobody's really being aware that this is really happening and the impact that it could, you know, do to our civilization as we know it. So now the North Pole appears to be heading towards Siberia, and the South Pole will follow suit at the opposite end of the planet. So it's happening. There's no doubt about it, and it has already started. And that's some scary shit. So anyway, that's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about, because I've been reading about it a lot lately, and I noticed none of the mainstream news is talking about it. And I wanted to, you know, actually talk to you about something that you can actually think about and actually research it for yourself. It's not a conspiracy theory. It's really happening. I mean, truly, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, if you have any comments or any thoughts about this article that I just read, you know, please comment on it, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, so thank you so much for watching.